Hello everyone, welcome to your Ignition Martial Arts tutorial. I am Alvin Brown, owner of Ignition Martial Arts Academy. This tutorial is going to be one of many tutorials that will be filmed throughout San Diego, which is where our martial arts school is located. Although this tutorial is a very powerful tool, it is not meant to replace your in-person class training, so make sure you attend your classes regularly to accompany this tutorial. That being said, let's get to the video. Once again, welcome everyone to the tutorial. Today we'll be covering our creative sword form. Now in this form there are quite a few individual techniques that you should train separately and practice consistently so they won't give you too many problems while executing the pattern in its entirety. So make sure that you attend your in-person classes regularly so we can cover some of these individual techniques as well as some advanced techniques that you can replace later to add a little bit more creativity to your form. Now once we play this back, we'll be playing it back at about half the speed so we can break down each of the individual techniques as they play through. Therefore, you'll know the techniques and you can bring them back to individual spots in the video that you can practice. That being said, let's go ahead and break down the form. So we're going to start with our traditional bow. And from there, we're going to step out with our left leg and we're going to do an X with our sword. And from here, we're going to bring that X up above the head and then de-sheath the sword with your right hand. From here, we're going to step our legs over, drop into a knee, turning to the right so we can place our sheath on the ground. From here, bring it to the shoulder, forward roll, extend. Bring your hands up to an X above the head. From here, we stand up, turn to the front, step that left leg back into a nice bow. From here, we're going to bring our hands down, step out into a power stance. From here, we're going to curve the fist and start the form, bring it up. From here, we're going to do a shoulder roll, extend, and then go into 2 horizontal cuts, followed by 2 diagonal cuts, high block, diagonal cut, low block, diagonal cut, circle, spin as we go into a vertical cut. From here, we're going to pull it back into a stab, and then we're going to switch the grip as we pull it back, going into our tornado kick, stepping out to a front stance, reverse cut. From here, we're going to do a positive to negative, a negative to positive roll. From here, 2 horizontal cuts as we do a roll and then step over into a power stance, going to the right corner. From here, skipping front kick, pop up front kick. We're going to land into a low block. From here, we're going to circle our left hand in as we step our left leg in, shuffle axe kick, skipping front kick. And from here, we're going to do a spin to the left into 2 diagonal cuts. From here, shoulder roll, extend as we spin into a front stance, vertical, and then we're going to do a spiral chiburi, catch with our right hand, do 1 more spin, landing the sword on our shoulder into a low block. From here, we do 1 more roll as we step back into our attention stance and bow. And right here, we're showing a little bonus footage on how to do the spiral chiburi or a spiral release. And that's all the footage we have for our tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.